to get more bored but have some fun as well. Lastly, we have also a publication called Window and Facade Magazine. They will all be in your bags. This magazine is only been developed for this window and facade community, which is, we have our editor standing right here, Isha. A round of applause. Well, it's a classic case that she comes from a technical background. She's a doctor by profession. And then she started to do some selling of windows. Then she got into, we forced her to write articles, and then she becomes a lead writer for our magazine. So things can change when you come to window and door industry. So it's very interesting industry. Isha, keep it up. Thank you, gentlemen, ladies. And you can clap again. Never be shy, you lose. I'd like to now call upon the last presenter for the evening, my very good friend from China, from Kinlong, the largest hardware company. You all know him. Lucky Lu. Ni hao.
The last one is me, so I'm Lucky. My name is also Lucky. So, good evening, India. Good evening, Gujarat. Okay, my topic is new hardware, new era. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Lucky Lu from Kinlong Hardware from China. It's very honored to stand here to have speech here in front of you. My previous plan to make speech like the Apple launch event, but now I'm not Steve Jobs or Tim Cook. So anyway, tonight is not the iPhone 7 launch event. It's Kinlong. So I hope to give you all a fresh idea about Kinlong hardware from China. So now I'm cover the whole market of Mumbai market. My topic is divided into 4 parts. One is the company profile, and one is the Kinlong quality control policy, and the third is a strict rating system, and the last is Kinlong prestigious project. Now let me introduce Kinlong. I divide this part into 4 parts. It's a basic information. The second is for the Kinlong achievement, and so is control system, and the 4th is the main product. Kinlong is established in 1995. Till now is 20 years, and we are the manufacturer of the architectural hardware, including the facade fittings and windows and doors fittings, and bathroom fittings, and balustrade fittings, and bathroom fittings, and door control system fittings. Our employees strength about 7,100, and among this, there's 500 is for technician guys. We company scale is about 200,000 square meter. Where the location is in Dongguan city in China. It's about 2 hours by car to Hong Kong. Our branch is now cover 13 countries, including the Asia, including the Middle East, including the Africa. Now, Kinlong achievement. We are the China biggest architecture hardware manufacturer, and we are the China biggest architecture hardware exporter. Its information is from the China government authority statistics. Our turnover for the last year is 25 billion rupees, or it's crazy, I think. And our technical strength, we have over 500 technicians, and we have 1 national lab. I mentioned the 1 national lab is for the government, China government, only 1 appointed in China. Kinlong is only 1. So we also, like the worldwide company, we adopt advanced management of the IT system. For example, iOS and Oracle from an American company to control the whole department system. And the last one is OS system. Our main product, I can explain you one by one. First is aluminum doors, windows, hardware fittings. The material is the alloy. And UPVC door, windows, hard fittings is also alloys. And polyfixed curtain wall hardware fittings, a spider and a rotator. And the material is stainless steel 316 or 304. And the surface treatment is satin or mirror. We also provide the casting channel fittings, and the material is carbon steel or stainless steel. And this indoor poster reading hardware fittings, and you can see that the double plate pillars, and glass clamp, and bracket. And outdoor poster reading hardware fittings. This product is used in the Middle East one project. And door control hardware fittings like a door closer, floor spring, and glass clamp. And bathroom hardware fittings, glass clamp, glass door handles, and multi-store lock and smart door lock. I strongly recommend our stainless steel rod and cable system because we have a strong team for design the whole facade system and give you the solution for the configuration, how to use, which part to use our fittings. The second is the Kingdom quality control policy. Why Kingdom is so strong? Because we have our stringent quality control system. One we refer iOS system, and the other is our China National Lab test. This is a certification of iOS. This is in our Kingdom in-house labor and testing center. You can see the first picture is a lifespan test to test the handle cycle used. Commonly, Kingdom handle used for over 25,000 cycles. And the other is the optical spectrum test and the chemical component analysis for check that the purity of the materials to make sure that client is satisfied. And the below picture is our plant inside that the pictures. Some coating, some packing, and some assembly. Sorry. Then our Kingdom QC chart. Firstly, I suggest that handles divide into 5 procedures. One is firstly die casting, and the second is machine, the third is polishing, and the third is surface treatment, and the last is packing. And for the surface treatment, we use the phosphating to protect the surface treatment from the rusting. And the second is our Kingdom hinge. Firstly, we cut in the profile, then we punching, then we machine, then we grading, then we do some surface treatment. The last is packing. I think the phosphating is the same as our handles, such as surface treatment. And our Kingdom transmission, die casting, and machine, polishing, electrofacing, and packing. Why we use the electrofacing? Because the transmission can't be the surface coating, so we use the electrofacing treatment. The third is our 3 arising system. I want to recommend our sliding and folding door size. Its advantage is spacing, saving, water tightness, air tightness, and thermal insulations. This is our Kingdom hardware configuration for the sliding and folding system. You can see there's some handle, some roller, some socket. If you want to add the whole system tightness, you can add some socket, more socket, to make sure that the whole system tightness. And this picture is from our China exhibition. You see it's very huge door size. The height is 4.5 meter, and the width is 6 meter. The single shot loading bearing capacity is 120 kg. Oh, very big. We provide different configuration for this system. You see, there's our commonly used file system, 330, 431, 550, and 651, 333. I mentioned that for the last junction, we should open because we should to install that the lock to slide in the whole system. So also for this system, we provided the special solution for the fabricator. One is for the roller, hand roller in the upside of the profiles. The other is for the roller is downstairs in the down profiles. The third solution is for the both up and the downside used hand rollers. Our Keenan sliding folding system characters will use the upper Paris high hinge system. The roller self-lubrication and the body is stainless 304. The roller we can use that 354-degree rotating to make sliding more smoothly, and two direction up and down to adjustable the profiles more smoothly. Our side provides hinge system, also 2-point advantage. One is adjustable for easy profile assembly. The other is assure better air tailings, water proofing, and lock tailings. Now, let me shift to another system, lift sliding system. I think is a new system in India. The advantage is easy operation and air tailings and micro ventilation function. I'm strongly recommend that we use our list system applying in one Mumbai reload project, Watercrest, by Lodar Group. So it's a configuration of this system. You can see some locking plate and the front roller and back roller and different handle for choice. This system, we can offer the maximum size, the wings 3 meter, the height 2.6 meter. Single size maximum loading is 300 kg. We also offer different configuration for this system. You can see that there's two options. One is a single sash and one is double sash. I mentioned that the shadow part is for the sliding part, and for the other part is a fixed part. You see there are two sash and two sash in middle, two sash in two sides, and 4 sash for the sliding. That's our system operation demo. When the handle is in the vertical, it's closed. When the handle is down vertical, it's open. When in the horizon, there is a lift. And the whole system displacement is only 8 millimeter. So let me come to the last system, the sliding hung window system. And its advantage is matching the high air requirement and space saving and high safety. This is our Keenan configuration for this system. And let me recommend that installment steps. One is for the installing the rod, the top rod. The second is installing side transmission rod. The third is installing handles. The fourth is installing rollers. The 5 to assemble sash with frame. And the last to final other accessories. fourth part is for Kinnan prestigious project in India. Kinnan has supplied for many global renowned buildings and have been acknowledged by many consultants and architecture and clients all over the world. One name is strong recommend our world-class project by Loda. It's over 225 meters. I think that the wind pressure is very, very high, but our hardware can stand this pressure. The second is Orchard Wood in Goregaon, Mumbai. It's 3 towers. And third is in the Chagansh. It's one project. This project is in Noida. And in Hayala. And the Mumbai project Gold Ridge uses our Kinnan tension cable system. I want to mention that this system is very, very strong and use the diameter 24 tension cables. I think everyone is very familiar with this project. Mumbai International Airport uses our glass clamp and the fixed more cooler by Market City use our balance street. And RCP Reliance Corporation Park in Lavi, Mumbai. Client name is Reliance. And the other is for our overseas project, is Singapore project. I think I don't mention the name, so every guy know this do better. And also the one international airport from Singapore. And it's our China project, Shanghai, the World Expo Pavilion. It's for Middle East project.